Hey Scrappers, it's Alice Funk from Morgantown, Pennsylvania, and I want to show you the difference between Peekaboo pockets, photo sleeves, and brochure pockets. So I'm going to quick switch to my other camera, and this is my sample album. These are Peekaboo pockets. Peekaboo pockets, you can add a picture or a photo mat. But what it is a plastic sleeve that adheres to the outside of your protector or your top loading page. And then you can add two more pictures on top of this picture, or you can also add them this way. So the they come in 4x6, but they also have 4x4, 5x7, 3x3, 3x4, 2x2. There's all different sizes. So based on what you need it to be, you can even stack them and make like a little book here. I've done them different ways. It makes it very interactive in your album. This is a 6x12 page or pocket. Peekaboo pockets is what we call them. This is will adhere to the outside of your page protector or your top loading page, and you can open it up. So create a pretty page, and then you can open it up and add more pictures to this wonderful layout. I did it over here as a wedding invitation. I decorated it. This was my daughter's. Cut the page in half and then added two 6x12 Peekaboo pockets to the page. And now I can add photos inside. Have to get to that, but wanted people to see it for this album. Makes a great title page. Get right into all those pictures. This is using Peekaboo pockets as cascading pages, and I did another YouTube video of this and how to space them apart with their cascading spacers. But I absolutely love this idea. Again, they adhere to the outside of your page protector or top loading page. You want it on the outside on the plastic, and then it makes it interactive for the kids to look at. Just thought, what a great fun idea. You can do the same idea with a decorative piece of paper or a 12x12 photo and cut it into strips. Have the first one 6x12 and then cut strips to add to the inside pieces of paper that you add, and add your pictures inside, and it makes it super fun, super interactive for your albums. Now I want to get into photo sleeves. These are photo sleeves, and they come in different number photos that you can add to it. This is a uh, three sleeve page. The three sleeve page will actually hold 6 photos because you can get 3 on the front and 3 on the back. This is a 4-page sleeve, so you can actually get 8, so 4 pictures on the front and 4 pictures on the back. This is actually a 6-page sleeve, so you get 3 4x6 and 3 4x4 page pictures. And same thing on the back. So you can add 2 to each little sleeve here. There's a little pocket that you slide them in. And this one is a 5-page, or I'm sorry, 5-photo sleeve. So these photo sleeves, they're called 3 pockets, 4 pockets. This is actually 6. This is actually 5. I like to put the 1 or 2 or 3 of these in the back of my albums, and then all my extra pictures that I have left over because I didn't use them on a scrapbook page, I can stick them in these sleeves and have those pictures protected and put away, and they're with the pictures that the album actually featured. So it is a great way to store your photos, and it's also a great way to make a quick cascading set of pages filled with lots of pictures and smiling faces. This is the photo brochure. This is a pocket brochure. And you can actually slide your brochures into the pocket. It's clear. It is it is sticky all over the back. You pull the piece of paper off the back, the whole thing's sticky, and just set it down. Again, you want to put it on the outside of your protector or your top loading page. So it's on the outside of the plastic so that it can be interactive and people can get to it. You don't want them putting their hands underneath that plastic. And that's it. So I wanted to show you the difference between pockets, photo, Peekaboo pockets where you're adding things and photo sleeves. These are photo sleeves that you can add. They do come in single packs. So you're getting, I think, 12 in a pack of the same size. If you want, I do sell them separately. So I have them separated so you can just get one of each size so that it's ready for you. And I also do sell a 3 set, so just wanted to throw that out there. If you didn't want a full package, I'm willing to have I do have the individuals separated for you to enjoy. So enjoy. I hope it gives you some more ideas for your scrapbooking page. And hope you're scrapping on this wonderful summer day. Bye.